Right, you go to the left a little bit.
I'm eating.
How are we gonna know whose is whose then?
This is mine.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know whose is whose. Where is it?
I don't know.
Acoustic fail. Oh! There's one. That's mine.
Bullshit, that's not yours.
You can't even see it. There it is. Bro, I'm sure that's mine. Throw you in. Hello, ponies. We're being interrogated right now. There's more coming for us. Gorgeous. Surrounded. It's an ambush. Bless you. Up. Don't like up. Bro, show me your butt. Look at that booty!
Show your butt.
So the plan tonight was to wild camp, but we're both pretty knackered, so we found this campsite that offers wild camping, basically, for a very small charge. We're all set up, kind of. The nearest people are all the way over there. And we've got the stream here, so we're going to have a wash and make some food. It's all very pretty and beautiful. It's very nice because we haven't had to spend ages trying to find the perfect spot, and yet we're still getting the wild camping experience, so I think this is a pretty good shout. Feels very peaceful. We can light a fire there later if we want to, but I'm not sure that we're going to be bothered because we're both tired and we're both extremely sunburned, so we'll see. I found a couple of creepy items on the campsite. Firstly, this spine and part of a skull, probably a deer, and this cool thing. Look at this guy, carved out of wood.